Discover this beautiful 0.21-acre lot on 23259 Dogwood Trail in Mineola, Texas. Nestled in a peaceful setting, this versatile property comes with no restrictions and no HOA, giving you the freedom to truly make it your own. Whether you want to park your RV, build a tiny house, or create the perfect weekend getaway, the possibilities are endless. Utilities like electricity and water are available nearby, though you'll need to have them installed, along with a septic system. Owner financing is available, making this an excellent opportunity for those looking for a flexible, affordable investment in a growing area. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Smith County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.